Alright, sorry. Just had to edit some things and calibrate my mouse. Alright, let's go.
These collections, or some of these collections, will show you which ones are new. Now, these are the ones that you want to
So
target.
the stats.
I'll tell you why. A new NFT collection has a lot of people in there.
The stats, and then I look at the volumes. Volumes, right? And the green icon next to the picture. The green icon next to the picture will tell me if they're new or not. New. That's pretty handy to know. Thanks, mate. Okay, let's go from there.
That have minted an NFT and potentially don't know the rarity. These are people that saw the hype train and decided to hop on, and for one reason or another, once they have minted it, maybe it's not what they want, or maybe they want a quick profit listing 10 to 20% above the floor price, they will list these NFTs without ever knowing how rare they are. So we're going to go to one of these new ones here, and let's go ahead and go to Winter Bears. So if you open up Winter Bears and you go to Buy Now, you can see the floor price of available NFTs in the Winter Bear collection that you can flip. The issue here is you have no idea how rare these are. Yes, you can click into one, go down to properties, and see if there is a sub 1% or 1% property, meaning it has a rare property. But when it comes to overall rarity of an NFT, what really matters is the combination of these traits. You can have 1 to 5% rare traits that are not solely rare in themselves. They are not extremely unique, but the combination of some of these are what really drives up the rarity. Just looking at OpenSea, there's no way to do that.
So what he's saying is, like, even if you, so there's when you make an NFT, and you, especially these type of ones, you get layers, and each layer has a specific amount. So for this, it might have the beanie, the eye patch, the skin color, the toga on it, and the color of all the things. Now each one of those can have 5 of each. Yeah, 5 of each. And now each 5 of those layers within these layers can have specific rarities. So the 5th layer, let's say the color, yeah, that pink, it might be pink, red, blue, green. Pink might be the 1%. It might be 1 to 5% chance of getting that pink in that NFT. So that makes that pink rare. But it doesn't matter if the rest of them are kind of easy to get, you know what I mean? But if you get 2 things that are quite similar in rarity, lower, harder to get, then it'll drive it up. 3, drive it up. 4, drive it up. And then if you get 5 things, if this is a 5, then boom, the rarity drives up high. And that makes the combination higher. And what he's saying is the people who are making these, so you get the people who make the NFTs, the people who mint it, they don't know how rare they are. They're just trying to get a quick buck out of it. And a quick buck might be a fucking $3,000, you know what I mean? So that's what he's saying.
What you want to do is you want to go to this site called rarity.tools. And in Rarity Tools, you can go to all collections and search by project name. Now this is where we get into it. Since we're looking at Winter Bears, we're going to go to the actual Winter Bears collection. And Rarity Tools has a wonderful integration with the OpenSea market.
This is like a whole encyclopedia of encyclopedia of NFTs. You have to pay to put them on this page. I think it's a couple thousand or something. I think it's, I don't know, it goes in ETH. And then everyone can go and look in there and see if yours is on there and how much it's worth and what their card is actually worth. It's kind of like a whole dictionary encyclopedia of each NFT and their rarity.
That down here you can see where we can sort by. We can sort by lows high. Now let me break this down really quick. What you're seeing, this pink number or purple number on the head, is their rarity. So if there's 10,000 of them, the closer to number 1 you get, the more rare that specific NFT is going to be.
Okay.
Of course, you can also see the actual number of the Winter Bear or NFT in the collection that you're looking at, and you can also see the price and if it is an auction or buy it now. So once you get to this page, you do one of two things. As you can see, we're looking at winter bear number 4112, and on the top left, we can look up that specific winter bear by typing its ID in here and clicking look up. Now we can see in a collection of, what is winter bears? I believe it's 10,000. In a collection of 10,000, the rarity rank is 7,379. Now you can also see the highest value traits that they have. This one right here.
That's cool, man.
Could be listed at 0.625 ETH, and that would be its rarity rank, or its highest value property. And you can see that it is listed at 0.599. So after gas fee, there is no profit to be made there, as anyone sniping a 0.625 ETH value property, there is no extra room to move there. So what we can do is we can go by this sorted price low to high and go through here until we find something that is undervalued, and this would be something that is a sub 1,000 rank and no more than 10 to 15% higher than the floor price. So if the floor price is 0.6, that means we want to find something max price 0.7 that is a sub 1,000 rarity. And if we look through here really quick, we can see that most of them are all snatched up. There's a 1,590 rank for 0.65, but you really, really want to get that sub 1,000, or if you can, sub 200. Now, if you really get lucky, you might find something that is ranked 80, 85, or 90, but that is really when a project has just minted. So you really want to get in about 24 hours from the time of minting. So when a project initially begins its mint, 24-hour window from there is when these people are going to be severely underpricing these extremely rare NFTs in any given collection. So that is why on OpenSea, when we are in our main...
So... what he's saying is buy within first 24 hours. Like, here's the thing, right? Like, you can learn about this. You can actually just like the art piece and then buy it and then sell it later. But this is becoming like people making coin off this, bro. So it's interesting to learn how it's used.
Not to say you cannot find really good lists in some of the older, more seasoned collections, but your chances of finding them in these new collections are extremely, extremely high, as many people who buy their very first NFT do in fact mint it directly from the contract or directly from the front-end minting website that these creators have put in place. So when you're looking for these, you want to find a new collection. You want to bring that collection up inside of Rarity Tools, sorting floor price low to high, and then trying to snipe those extremely rare NFTs that people who have no idea about Rarity Tools or Rarity in general have listed. So if this video has helped you guys, leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe as always, and we will catch you on the next live.
Thanks, man. Okay, so that basically left me fucking clueless as shit. Let me close that out. All he said was, because there's other people out there that aren't using the Rarity Tools, you can make money off of their incompetence. You can go to the page on OpenSea. It's called OpenSea. If you don't know, it's where a lot of NFTs are listed. NFTs are listed, right? They have projects on there. They have just one piece. So I mean, like collections. That's collection. Collection. They have one pieces. They have specials. I'll call them specials. Oh shit. Specials. And then they have just like other projects as well, just random art, meme art, I want to say. Then you can check the volumes, how much money is in it. Money's in it. And how many there are. How many pieces? Whatever. Then you can use the color green. There's the icon on the thing to actually find out how new they are. Then that will let you know if it's been made in the last 24 hours. Once you've figured out if that is, you can buy. Or you can go to rarity, however you spell it, rarity, bear with me, .com, and you can search the project. Search the project, and then you can find the floor price. Floor price. And then you can list it, or you can buy which ones aren't actually at the peak and sell for the peak. This is the thing, right? This is what they say. Buy low, sell high. Any sales will say that. Oh shit. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep pumping out shit like this ASAP. I wanna just get shit up. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this type of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep going, because I'm gonna keep going.